What's going on, y'all? So we out here this morning. Not the best conditions. It's what, 53, 52, cloudy conditions. I think we're gonna get some sun to break through. Seen a decent amount, probably 150 ducks. We out here this morning. We got Bennett with us this morning. Got 4 good shooters. So see what happens. Y'all stay with us.
Kill him. Oh, I got 2 in 1 shot. Damn, look at this. Yes, baby! Boom, baby!
Alright, y'all, so that's going to be it for this one. So we ended up with a 4-man limit of redheads and a 4-man limit of bluebills, and we killed a bufflehead and what? 3 ringnecks?
4 ringnecks.
4 ringnecks. So it was an awesome morning, so y'all check out these ducks. Oh yeah. Georgia diver hunt. It's always good when you can kill them like that in Georgia. Had a good couple years. So, and we're hoping this is a sign that this year's really going to take off. We got a couple more trips we're going to go on out of state. Appreciate y'all watching. If you ain't already subscribed, please do so. Make sure to drop a like, and we'll see y'all on another one.